Here we are at the chicken coop at Cackle Farm. These chickens in here are 3 weeks old. It's the very beginning of my project. I have their dust bath and that tire. I have their nice chicken coop. I have the little water bowls here. They've even got a fan in the window. Look at them there. They're happy birds. I'm trying a different feed this morning, first time ever. I've been fermenting whole grains, and they're exploring it there. There's old Peeps, my one American Bresse. Look at them blue feet. 3 weeks old yesterday. Alright. There's her. There's a, that looks like a rooster there. A white leghorn. Happy as chickens in a coop. Alright, here we go. Got lots of other stuff to do today. I was afraid my chicken coop door might have a predator danger or two, so I came out here and checked, and I'm afraid a predator could get in that. So I put those two handles on either side of the door, and I made this bar. See, it slides in like that, and then it slides in like that. And now when you try to pull it, you get nothing. Way more secure. I don't think a coon can get in there. Just enjoying a beautiful morning after I finished all the feedings. Watching the animals in the pasture. Chickens are happy in their coop. The pigs are happy in their pen. The goats are wishing I was petting them. It's just a beautiful morning at Cackle Farm.